Alright, let's talk about something that's universally experienced, whether you're a seasoned athlete, a weekend warrior, or just starting your fitness journey. It's a feeling every fitness enthusiast knows all too well, that familiar ache that sets in after pushing your limits. I'm talking about muscle soreness. You crush your workout, you leave it all on the floor, pushing through every rep and set. You feel like a beast, invincible, ready to conquer the world. And then the next morning, reality hits. Bam! Your muscles are screaming, protesting every movement. But is this soreness a badge of honor, a testament to your hard work and dedication? Or just a sign you overdid it, pushing your body beyond its current capacity? And more importantly, when those aches and pains set in, how do you bounce back faster, minimizing the discomfort and getting back to your training routine? Let's break it down, exploring the science behind muscle soreness and practical strategies to alleviate it. First off, what exactly muscle soreness? What's happening inside your body to cause that discomfort? I'm talking about DOMS. You might have heard the term before. That's delayed onset muscle soreness. It usually hits 12 to 24 hours, sometimes even longer after a tough session, especially one involving new exercises or increased intensity. It's often peaking around the 48-hour mark, making those second day after workout activities particularly challenging. That stiff, tender feeling, that reluctance to move, it's your muscles repairing, actively working to rebuild and adapt. It's a result of tiny micro tears in the muscle fibers from your hard work, a natural response to the stress you've placed on them. It's normal, a sign that you're pushing your body to grow stronger, but it doesn't mean you have to suffer through it, enduring the discomfort without taking action. So, what are my top recovery tips, the strategies I rely on to minimize muscle soreness and get back to training? Number 1, don't just flop on the couch and become one with the cushions. Active recovery is key. It's about moving your body in a gentle, low-impact way to promote healing. I like to go for a light walk, enjoying the fresh air and sunshine while gently stimulating blood flow. Or do some gentle stretching, focusing on the muscles that are feeling particularly tight or sore. This helps to keep the blood flowing, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to your muscles. Trust me, movement helps to reduce inflammation and alleviate stiffness way more than total rest. Complete inactivity can actually prolong the soreness. Tip 2. Hydration is absolutely crucial. Muscles need water to recover, to function properly, and to repair themselves effectively. Water also helps to flush out waste products, byproducts of muscle breakdown that can contribute to soreness. So keep that water bottle handy, make it your constant companion, and sip throughout the day, even when you don't feel particularly thirsty. Next, let's talk nutrition, the fuel your body needs to rebuild and recover. Your muscles crave protein to rebuild, to repair those micro tears and grow stronger. Aim for a good source of protein, a complete protein containing all the essential amino acids. Within an hour or two post-workout, when your muscles are most receptive to nutrient uptake, lean meats like chicken or turkey, eggs, a versatile and affordable protein source, Greek yogurt, packed with protein and probiotics, whatever fits your style and dietary preferences. Find what works for you and make it a habit. Now, ever tried foam rolling? It's a game changer. It might look awkward, and let's be honest, it can feel a little uncomfortable at times. But self-myofascial release, which is what foam rolling essentially is, can work wonders for breaking up tension and knots in your muscles. It also helps in boosting circulation, delivering much-needed oxygen and nutrients to the affected areas. Just a few minutes rolling out, focusing on those key muscle groups, those sore spots that are screaming for attention, and you'll feel the difference. It's like giving yourself a mini massage. Sleep. Don't sleep on sleep. It's not just about feeling rested, it's a critical component of muscle recovery. Your body does most of its repair work overnight, releasing growth hormone and repairing damaged tissues. So aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Quality rest equals faster recovery always. Make it a priority. And finally, don't ignore pain, especially if it's persistent or worsening. That's sharp or doesn't improve with rest and the other recovery methods we've discussed. Soreness is normal, a sign of adaptation and growth. But injury is not. Pain that limits your range of motion or feels distinctly different from typical muscle soreness should be addressed. If something feels off, if your body is sending you warning signals, talk to a pro, a doctor or physical therapist who can properly diagnose and treat the issue. Here's the bottom line. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Muscle soreness is a sign that you're challenging your body, pushing your limits and striving for progress. But it doesn't have to slow you down, preventing you from reaching your goals. Stay active, even on your rest days. Eat smart, fueling your body with the nutrients it needs. Roll it out, releasing tension and improving circulation. Hydrate, keeping your muscles nourished and functioning optimally. And get your sleep, allowing your body to repair and rebuild. With these tips, with a proactive approach to recovery, you'll bounce back quicker, minimizing downtime and maximizing your training progress. And hit your next workout even stronger, ready to push your limits once again. If this helped you out, if you found these tips valuable, smash that like button, show some love, and let me know you're finding this content helpful. Drop your favorite recovery tip in the comments, share your wisdom, and help others on their fitness journey, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep crushing it.